Welcome back, beauty lovers, to Beautyistic. Today, I'm sharing an in-depth look at a product that promises to elevate your eye game, the LORAC Frontline Pro Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil in Black Matte. This is a high-precision pencil designed for long-lasting, smudge-proof wear, complete with a built-in sharpener, and it's safe for contact lens wearers. Out of the box, this eyeliner has a sleek, professional feel. The pencil itself is a rich, deep black with a matte finish that doesn't feel dry or chalky. It's ophthalmologist-tested, which makes it suitable even for sensitive eyes or contact lens users, a feature I always appreciate for everyday wear. The built-in sharpener is a small but thoughtful addition, ensuring the tip stays precise without needing extra tools. When it comes to real-world application, this pencil glides on smoothly without tugging, which is crucial for sensitive eyelids. I tested it both in the morning and through a long day, including humid conditions, and it held up remarkably well. The waterproof formula means it won't smudge or fade easily, and it didn't transfer to my under-eye area, which can be a problem with softer pencils. I also experimented with winged lines, and the pencil allowed for precise control, perfect for both subtle lining and more dramatic looks. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. The pencil is highly pigmented, so beginners might find it unforgiving if you make a mistake. You also need to keep it well sharpened, as the precision tip can wear down quickly with frequent use. That said, the included sharpener helps, and overall, it's easy to maintain. On the plus side, the texture is creamy yet firm enough for exact lines, the waterproof formula really delivers, and the matte finish is beautifully bold without being flat. Price-wise, it sits in the mid to high range for eyeliners, but considering the longevity, precision, and eye-safe formula, I'd say it's justified. Compared to other high-end pencils, LORAC offers an excellent balance of quality and control, though drugstore options may offer similar results at a lower price if you're on a budget. The pencil's build quality is sturdy, and the black matte finish on the barrel feels sleek. While I haven't contacted customer service personally, LORAC generally has a solid reputation for responsiveness, which is reassuring if any issues arise. If you're looking for an eyeliner that holds up all day, provides precise application, and is safe for sensitive eyes, this one is a standout. I'd recommend it to makeup enthusiasts who want a reliable, professional quality pencil that won't let them down, whether for subtle day looks or bold evening styles. Before we wrap up, if this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest, detailed reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the LORAC Frontline Pro Eyeliner, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear what you think. The purchase link is in the description. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.